Hello viewers, this is Dr. Jana and you are watching video lecture on me on artificial intelligence, and we are going to implement some programs using this program Lisp, Lisp, or the list processing or list programming, whatever thing that. So in this video we will be covering how to implement this water jug problem using this Lisp. Some given that we have two empty jugs of capacity 4 liter and 3 liter, and source of water is tap and water, plenty of water is available, and the jugs are not calibrated or marked, and we have to fill any of the jug with 2 liter of water. This is the job we have to do, and initial global database is the initial state of the state space, and the state space for this problem can be described as the set of ordered pairs of integers like x comma y, such that x can take value 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, and y can take 0 to 3, because we have given, we are having only 4 liter jug and 3 liter jug, clear. So the maximum in the first jug it can carry maximum 4 liter, in the second one it can carry maximum 3 liter. So it can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 0 means it is empty, it can be 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, 4 liter in jug number 1, 4 liter jug, and jug number 2 it can be up to 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the x represents the number of gallon of water in the 4 gallon jug, and y represents the quantity of water in the 3 gallon jug. And the initial state or the start state, it is 0 0, because assuming that initially all are 0, empty. The goal state is there in any of the gallons, say in 4 liter gallon. So we want to put some the water of 2 liter, okay, because 2 liter directly it is not available. So we have 4 liter and 3 liter. So without any other way, without other measuring things, we have to put in the first jug 2 liter of water, okay. So that is the thing, we have to put it here. Now we see whatever the rules we can frame for these things, right? So if you check it here, we are having a number of rules here, and we, just I minimize all the things. You can see it here. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, we, yes, we are having the different states. We are having 1 to 12 serial number, and here are the rules. What are the rules? We are framing our own rules, okay. So when current state is xy, if x is less than 4, okay, then what is the next state? It can be maximum 4 and y. That means fill the 4 liter gallon jug. If the 4 gallon jug, liter is different, gallon is different, so let us assume that it all are gallon. So in the 4 gallon jug, if you want to fill it all, then the new state will be 4 comma y, right? So if xy and if y is less than 3, that means in the 3 gallon jug it is not filled. So in that case we can put x comma 3, that means maximum 3 liter we can fill in the y gallon, right? That is the first one, is the rule number 1, second one the rule number 2. Then third one, xy, if x is greater than 0, that means if that 4 liter 4 gallon jug already some water is there, in that case what we do, we can pour some water from the 4 liter or 4 gallon jug. That means x minus d comma y, that is the rule number 3. Similarly xy, the current state, and if y is greater than 0, that means some water is there in the 3 gallon jug. So in that case we can pour some water, x comma y minus d, pour some water out of the 3 gallon jug, that is the rule number 4. Then it is telling xy, if x is greater than 0, if x is greater than 0, then 0 comma 4, empty the 4 gallon. So that means in the first one, if this is not 4, this is y. In the first one, if some water is there, then we can empty it. For emptying, x is equal to 0 and y will be as it is. Similarly xy in the second state, next state, if y is greater than 0, that means some water is there in the 3 gallon jug. So in that case we can empty the 3 gallon jug, that is the rule number 6. Then he is telling xy, if the state is xy, if x plus y greater than equal to 4 and y greater than 0. So in that case what is telling, so pour water from 3 gallon jug into the 4 gallon jug until the 4 gallon jug is full. So that is the rule number 7. Similar way also we are doing, pour the water from the 4 gallon gallon jug to the 3 gallon jug, it is 3 to 4, it is 4 to 3 until the 3 gallon. It is the rule number 8. Okay. Similarly, say xy, if x plus y less than equal to 4 and y greater than 0, so in that case pour all the water from 3 liter gallon into the 4 liter. This is the rule number 9. Similarly, this is the rule number 10 and rule number 11. So 0 2 means pour the 2 here 2 0. Initially it is 0 2. That means in 3 gallon jug it was 2. That I pour into 4 gallon. So pour the 2 gallon from 3 gallon jug into the 4. That is rule number 11. Similarly, 2 comma 4. Initially it was 2 comma 4. Now you put it 0 comma 4. That means from x gallon from 4 gallon jug, pour that 2 to the y. Okay. So in that case, empty the empty the 2 gallon to the 4. Anyway, these are the different rules, and if you want in details, you can see the rules here also. The rules I put it here in a I think in a tabular manner. Here you can clearly see the what are the rules. Okay. So just I minimize all things. So these are the rules. We are having it here now. Right now, serial number, what is the current state? Yeah, right. Current state, what is the next state, and what is the description, and what are the rules? All the things are there. So all the rules, the 12 number rules, I have clearly written it here. Okay. So you can, there is no need to read it again. So first case, only one case I am telling. The state is xy. If x is less than 4, that means some water is there in the 4 gallon jug. So in that case, fill the 4 gallon, you can add it. That rule number 1. Like that you can go ahead. Okay. So once this is over, then I think we can go for here, and here we'll find to solve this water jug problem. Yeah, we little reduce this because some not like this. Let it is there as it is. So what I'm telling you that, yeah, you take it here to the left side. Yeah, then you see it here. To solve this water jug problem, what we do? We required a control structure that loops through a simple cycle in which some rule whose left side matches the current state is chosen. So that means which rule you want, based on that you apply these rules. Okay. So then one solution to the water jug problem, then shortest such sequences will have a impact on the choice of this appropriate mechanism. Okay. Then what is the formal descriptions? So define a state space that contains all the possible configurations of the relevant objects. So xy, I have given you that 12 number rules, all things are there. Specify one or more states within the state space that describes possible situations from which the problem solving processes may start initial state. Okay. So this is the thing we go on solving until the thing, that's the initial case, it is 0 0. When it is 0 0, that means 4 gallon is empty and 3 gallon is also empty, so no rule is applied there. And the second case, the 4 gallon is 0 and 3 gallon is full. Okay. So in that case, what you do, you apply the rule number 2. So like that, the different rules are there, you can apply all the rules, right? 3 0, you apply rule number 9. See, all the rules are there, you can check it and you can verify all the rules are there. Now this is there with us. Now what you have to do, now let us go for implementing all the things in the list, because this is the thing, it is not new to you, maybe who have studied this artificial intelligence, they will be knowing all things. What is concerned, what I want to tell you. So we are going for the things. Now you can say how you are getting all the things. Okay. For this we go for one thing here. So you can go for, there are a number of ways to run this list programming. I will show you first one by one. So you can, I have already downloaded and installed CLisp. Okay. In the CLisp, in the command prompt, you can do all the things, you can get it here, you can do it here. But I don't want to, because I will not be using, because I have to write this program somewhere else and I have to run it here. So okay. So you have two options. You can do it online, link is there, or you can use using this one. Okay. So using the LispWork 7.1. Okay. So LispWork 7.1 also you can do it here, right? So if you go for this LispWork 7.1, just open it here, and you, this is the, is telling the version, close it here. Then I open, I already created a file. I have my own folder. I think in the folder number in E drive and list programming. So I have a water jug problem, shortcut water J I have written that with the extension list. I have already did there. Okay, so this is there. So here already it is there, and I close these things. I don't want all the things. Okay, so in this case, then I just first file, then you go for compile and load, and you go for this return to the value of state instead. Okay, then it is okay. Okay, then I go for running this program. So once you run this program, then I'm going to start this program. Okay, so in the output I will show you the our the test. It is the program there. I will explain the program, don't worry. So initial I am going for starting this thing. So st lowercase caps lock start. Okay, so I put it here. So this program it has started, the water jug problem, and the fill jug, all things there. Suppose initially it is 0 space 0 space 0. So I put it all the things and log it here. So detail. So anyway, I will be explaining all the things I will be, because just I started this program is running, and I initialize the thing. Initially it is 0 0 0. So there I have taken 2 jug problem, here I have taken 3 jug problem. Okay, the difference is there. Okay, now what I did, so in list for declaring a variable, we use the word def var, define variable the state. Okay, and for the comments we are writing semicolon, whatever things after that, that's entire line it will be just like comments. Okay, then I defined a function state, and all the things I put it here. Then for getting all the things in formatted line, so use the format t. Already I think you will be knowing all things. This is, I think, okay, this you delete here, the format t. This is the water jug, all the things what you see it here, water jug, it is just like the what is to be displayed there. Format t, fill jug, all the things it is also there. So this tilde and percentage, it will write a new line, and in the what it will write, water jug problem is the, see, it has, after that it has given a line water jug problem, then tilde percentage, fill jug name. So that is showing, writing fill jug name, some the same thing I am giving. Okay, so up to this it has run, right? Then set up state read. So it has to read it. What it has to read it? Initially I have given 0 0 0. Okay, it has read it here. Now it is initially all things like that. The entire program I have written it here. Starting control of each jug 3a. It will be, see, it will showing the different states, and it will be checking the first cases. Is x greater than, because here what is the problem statement, I am again explain you. Initially I am having 3 jugs. First jug I am having 7 liter capacity, and second jug I am having 4 liter capacity, and third jug I am having 2 liter capacity. You get it now? So my goal state is that in the second jug I want to put 1 liter. 1 liter capacity is not there. I am telling you, jug number A 7 liter capacity, jug number B 4 liter capacity, and jug number C 2 liter capacity. So this is already existing, and my goal state, what I have to write it here. So I have to fill this jug number B with 1 liter, because 1 liter measuring is not there, but anyway I have to apply something, I have to put it there. So using this artificial intelligence. Okay, now then it has read it here. Then first what is doing, if x is greater than equal to 7, that means in the initial state jug number A it is full. Okay, then it is already full, it is showing. Then in the second case it is saying if y is greater than equal to 4, that means jug B is also full. Okay, the same thing here, z is greater than equal to 2, that is also C is already full. Okay, then for empty what is telling, if x is less than equal to 0, that means less than equal to 0 means its maximum minimum is 0, so that means A is empty, like that B is empty, C is empty, all the things I have shown it here. Then what I am telling, put A to B. So in the water from the A is telling, if it is x is greater than 0, you can see it here, here it will be following the pre-order operations like that. Here reading, if x is greater than 0, then in the 7 liter jug some water is there, and y is less than 4. In the second jug, if water some emptiness is there, that is not completely empty, but still some space is there, we can put this water. Suppose it is already 4, then we cannot pour water, it will be going to the ground. Okay, you got it now? So like that all the things we have done it here. So then we go for checking, and it will there. So now what we have done, the entire program you can go through this one, I will be putting it there also. It will be checking one by one. Finally it will say if y is equal to 1, then it will say that you win. That is in the B is equal to 1. In the second gallon, that is the gallon number B, I want to pour 1 liter water. Okay, you got it now? Now here I have done this one, this is 0 0 0 0, right? So now what I have to do, Now I do then fill B. Okay, then the command I give it here, fill fill caps lock B. Okay, fill B, I put it here. So you can see just 1 minute, give me a minute time. Now you can check it there. When I give this command fill B, then it is showing the new state, it is 040. Okay, then I am writing this command put B to A, put lowercase put caps B to A. Okay, so this is the thing I am putting, put B to A, so it is going to a state 400, right, like that you can go. Then I go for fill B, so then I go for fi lowercase fill fill B. Okay, so in this fill B command you can check it here, so it is going to the new state 440. Okay, now I am going for put B to A, so put it here, put put B to A. Okay, put B to A. Okay, when you run this program, then we can see now the new state is 710. That means in the first jug it is 7 liter, in the second jug it is 1 liter, third lot it is 0. Anyway, that if you don't want that first state, you can pour it out, but what you wanted in the second jug we have to pour 1 liter water. Okay, now that means we win and B is equal to 1. Okay, right? So this is the thing how we can implement all the things, right? So one more time I will tell you that. So this is a program you have written using this Lisp, and this is the way we have run it here. But sometimes you face some problem. What we need to do, instead of directly running it here, you close it here, and here you can see listener. And in the initial cases, what you have to do, you go for the file and compile and load. While you are compiling load, you have to select this file. What is the file name? Our file name I have given waterj.lisp. If you want, I will be sharing this code with you also. So that once you compile and load, then you close this one, and here you double click here. That's the listener. This listener, then it will come only, otherwise it will show some error. Then initially you go for the start, it is showing all the things are there. Then I am initializing with 00, then it is showing nil. Then the first cases I am filling B, that means B is 4 liter, I put then put B to A. B to A means this B 4 liter that I am put to the this one, the new state is like that. Then it telling fill B. Okay, fill B. Fill B means that B maximum we can take 4 liter, so it become 4. Got it now? But you remember here A it can take maximum 7 liter. Okay, then put B to A, it is maximum 7 liter we can take it here. So already it exists 4 liter there, so from 4 liter it will take 3 liter, the remaining 1 liter will be there. So like that it becomes 4 plus 3 7, and because when it is filled up, just we stop pouring. So now it is 1 liter. Then after that, if you are not interested for this first jug, then you pour it outside, that is no problem, because water I don't want to pour it out, that is the reason I put it here. So now I wanted in the jug B, there must be 1 liter. Okay, that we already got it here. Pouring water because saving the water is life. So you can do it because it is a problem. You can keep it, you can remove it, you can pour it. But usually water you should not waste it. Fine. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt or anything, you can also please send SMS to me. And thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, please share with your friends, and have a good day. Take care of your health. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe this also. Thank you.